Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to go over the highest YouTube CPMs country list. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit the like, subscribe, turn on post notification, because I'll be coming with more videos to help you guys grow your YouTube channel as well as make passive income. So as you guys can see in this article that I found on econs.com, as you guys can see right here, it goes over the YouTube CPM by country of 2023. Currently, most of the developed countries in the world are the ones with the highest CPM rates. And on the other hand, the less developed countries usually have the low CP rates. For example, like Iraq, Somalia, Iran, Ukraine. First of all, let's just make sure that we understand something. The reason these countries that have more people paying out is because their economy is stimulated in a different type of way. So just so that you guys understand that's why when you watch certain videos, certain ads are shown, just like we're seeing commercials that advertisers are paying for in order for us to see it as United States consumers. That's the same thing that's happening in all over these and all over the different countries that you may come across on this list. So as you guys can see right here, the highest paying CPM YouTube country is Germany, Australia, United Arabia, New Zealand, and other top countries such as Iberia, Norway, the United States, and United Kingdom. So let's just go down this list right here. First, you got Germany with the highest CPM YouTube country in the world from 2022 to 2023. Then we have in second place Australia. Australia is the second on the list with the highest CPM YouTube country as far as in 2023. Canada is the third highest YouTube CPM country in the year 2023. The United Arab, 5 being Algeria, is also one of the best monetized countries for YouTube content for the year 2023. Moldova, New Zealand, Norway, United Kingdom, Austria, and finally Switzerland in the 10th with the list of the highest CPM YouTube countries. And finally, here is the list of the top YouTube CPM rates by the country from 2022 to 2023. Norway being $43.15 CPM. Germany following at 38.85. Moldova 29.50. Algeria 24.50, South Korea 17, Sweden 18.18, Sweden 18.18, Finland 14.19, United Kingdom 13.75, Canada 13.50, and United States $13. Just to let you guys know, this is actually an article based off what they believe is the highest CPMs. The list to me seems very accurate. I think that it makes a lot of sense, being that those countries have a high payout when it comes to paying YouTubers. The CPM is a very important thing when you're trying to generate money. You want to base your videos around things that's actually generating money, such as YouTube automation or either personal finance. You can either talk about how-to videos. Those are another thing that brings in high CPMs when it comes down to just generating revenue. And I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. If you haven't yet, be sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notification. And that is my video for today. See you in the next one.